Here I am today, July the 16th at Leeds Rifle Range. I'm holding here a Ruger 7.62 by 39. We have a Vortex sight. I just did a little bit of practicing on a target about 50 yards out, maybe a little bit further. And we got to go see how we did. I think I got three real close together.
All right, it looks like you got two bullseyes. And I hit two of these in this one. And I think you hit two in the bullseye and one out here.
Okay, yeah, so we got two touching. Pretty good performance for that
Pretty good grouping.
rifle there, and as well as the shooter. Of course, I'm an expert at this. So doesn't surprise me that, you know, my bullets were almost through the same hole.
Nice job. Okay, not to be outdone by my brother-in-law Bill, but I took 6 shots at about 105 yards, and that's at my 6-inch 6-shot group. Maybe about 1.5 inches at 105 yards. Not bad.